All right, if you guys follow the channel and have been a longtime viewer, you know we are a huge fan of MagBak Cases. They have been around for a number of years. They predate MagSafe. They have had magnets in their cases for a long time, and I am greatly appreciative of them always sending us some of their newest products. This time we have the one for the new 17 Pro Max, and this is their Elite iPhone case. So as you can see from the packaging, this one looks a little different than some of the other ones. Usually and historically, they've always been in these black packaging. We're gonna unbox both of these and give you guys a quick first look to see exactly how it looks on that 17 Pro Max. Now, one thing I do wanna say before I even touch on these and unbox them is, one of their best selling points is not only do they have some of the strongest magnets out there, but they have some of the most customizable options. You can see here, they have different cutouts for the Pro and Pro Max, depending on which phone you get. You can actually accent these with a variety of different colors. We have a blue, a red, and a green here for the camera bump, but it is not limited to just those. Say for instance, you want to mix and match these color patterns, you can actually interchange the buttons, the grip, and all of that, especially the loop as well, which is behind this QR code. So you can technically use pieces of all of these to make a hodgepodge case design that I think really just looks amazing. And again, when you have something as visually stunning as the new 17 Pro Max in this, cosmic orange color, one of these cases might be your best options to keep it from getting damaged, especially thanks to that new aluminum, the anodized aluminum, I should say, because I'm sure it's hard to see in this video, but I've already got some dings that have actually caused the color to warp and really peel off very quickly. A little disappointing considering how much these devices are, but yeah, just wanted to throw that out there and let you guys know. So first things first, let's go with the classic Elite case here. And once you actually pop these off, you can see the instructions on how to actually install the screen protector as well if you'd like. Yes, this box does act as an install kind of liner as well for that. So if that's something you need, you can do that also. Otherwise, you can just pop it open as you can see here. And right off the bat, you are greeted with the case right up top here. We'll set it down in addition to all those additional accessories. I do love how they always give a little smart guide here, letting you know if you want to install the screen protector, make sure to watch the video first so you know exactly what you're doing. You have your extra little magnet bar here, and then obviously all of your accessories, your alcohol pads, your cleaning wipes, screen protector accessories, and then obviously the star of the show, the case. So this is obviously going to be black, and as it comes out of the box, you have your periscoping magnets, your telescoping magnets. You do have that kickstand that comes right in, and you can hear just how satisfying that click is. You have that pinky pillow right at the bottom to avoid getting any sort of damage to your pinky, like obviously I have already. You can see it gives you the idea and the breakdown of your pinky rest, the finger loop, the kickstand, everything right here that you might need to know about. And you can obviously see right inside here that nice soft grip, not to damage your phone. So if you didn't even want to customize it and you just wanted to pop in a brand new case, that's all you have to do. And you can see exactly how it looks and feels right without having to do anything. Here is that little rest right here, so you can use your finger loop, and then your pinky pillow, like I said at the bottom here, it's right there so you're not damaging or indenting your finger. Obviously, all of the speaker and mic grills are right there. You have your lanyard loop on the left and right side. You have your covered camera control and all of those other accent buttons. Your power button right here is nice and tactile, as well as your action button and volume rocker. And then anytime you're done with the finger loop, you can just do that. Now, before we really start getting into the customization options, I'm gonna set this down for a second, and I do wanna show you what I think is probably one of their nicer offerings this year. It is a lighter colored case if you didn't want to go with a black offering here. This is going to be more of a tan design here. Same concept how you're going to open it up. All of your accessories looks very identical. We're just going to dump those out and close this one up. And right off the bat again, look how nice this actually looks. I haven't seen a phone case exactly this color before. Look at the nice gold accents along the sides here. I am a huge fan stock of just what this looks like right here. So let's pop our 17 Pro Max right out of that one and pop it right in here. Oh yeah, I actually really do like this one. I usually do use my phone naked or with a MagBak case. I like the less is more type design, but if you need multiple functionalities here, again, having that kickstand, having that finger loop here, and that pinky pillow that you can just pop out whenever you want, this is a versatile case that is going to make really a lot of people turn heads and look, especially since you have those magnets on the side. You can magnetically attach this. We put it on our Cybertruck before, right on the outside, put it on a fridge. Whatever you need, you can do so right with this case. Now, like we were talking about, as you can see right there, I went ahead and just popped off the camera housing. These pieces here are all interchangeable. You can literally pop that out. You can now slide out the finger loop. It is very easy. You just have to lift it up from here. And then all of these are modular and come right out. So let's go ahead and use this blue back for the camera plateau. Obviously we have the Pro Max, so we'll grab that. And it is as simple as lining them up right in the grooves, and you will be able to accent it and make the case all your own. So just like that, say for instance, that's the only one you want to actually tweak. That's all you have to do, and now you have a nice blue camera ring around there. Then say for instance, maybe you want to use this green finger loop. All you're going to want to do is open up that accessory next, and be careful not to fling these all over the place, just like I kind of did right there. And right here now, you'll be able to slide these in and down and have multiple different color options. Now, keep in mind, you cannot do this with the phone in. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and pop all of it out really quick just to make it easy. Set that down. And kind of like how you saw, this one slides right up without much hesitation. This one actually goes down a little bit. Make sure it's tucked away in there. And then pop it back in. And just like that, now you have a totally different look to your case. It's going to be totally up to you, completely different preferences on designs that you might want to use. I think it's going to look great. Either way, I like this color pattern here. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of these MagBak cases here? It's definitely resourceful, definitely useful in a number of different scenarios. And again, thanks to those magnets, these are some of the strongest out there. If you use MagSafe accessories, power banks, whatever, this finger loop doesn't even get in the way. You are good to go, even using a wallet, a power bank, a power pack, whatever you might need right from Jump Street. So thanks to MagBak again for sponsoring today's video. Go check it out. Those links are down below, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.